Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Halo Inc. and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a print feed adjust for a new material on the Mutoh Valuejet Series. So the first step is you're going to go ahead and get your material loaded, and once you drop the lever, I'm just going to ask you what user type. So we're going to pick a new user type, which is 7. We don't have anything on there, so we're going to go ahead and click enter, and it's going to initialize. And so one of the tools that you will need is a ruler that has millimeters. So now we're just going to go ahead and hit menu. We're going to do setup, so we're going to press right. And we're going to go to user type, so we're going to press enter, type 7, enter. And then we're going to go down until you see PF adjust, so that was 2 clicks down. And we're going to press right. Says initial print, and we're going to do 250 millimeters, so we're just going to hit enter, and now it's going to print 2 little tick lines on the right side of the material. And basically once those print, we need to forward some material out, and we need to measure from line to line, and the target is going to be 250 millimeters. Once it's done, we'll be able to enter in the difference, and then it makes the adjustment. And this is something that should clear up banding. So as soon as this is done, I'm going to advance the material just a little bit. And now if you look really closely, we've got a light black line there and a light black line here. And so now, using the millimeter side, we're going to line it up exactly on that first line. And we're going to bring it out. So we're at 248 millimeters. So that's not the 250 that we were looking for. So now we go back in, set up user type 7, go back to print feed adjust, and now we're going to go down from initial print to initial change, and we're going to print hit enter, and now we're going to do 248 and hit enter, and now that should have changed it. So now we're going to hit confirm print, 250 millimeters, and it's going to print again. On the confirm print, it's going to print red lines, that way it doesn't confuse you when you go to remeasure. And the nice thing is it prints it far enough off the material that 99% of the time it's still usable. You can just back the material up and you're good to continue printing with it. And so you can see we've got one red line there, and now it's about to print the other one. As soon as it's done printing, go ahead and lift this up. So I guess you really don't need to advance the material as long as you're keeping it flat. And we are right on the 250 mark, so we're good. And that is how you do a print feed adjust on the Mutoh Valuejet Series. Thanks for watching.